You can call and say, yeah.
Tell me about the chicken. Why you put it on? Tell me about the chicken.
Alright. So we put in my salt, a little salt, and we have a little all-purpose with mixed with barbecue seasoning in. And we have a little red seasoning that's near to French fried chicken.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to put a crush an egg in it.
Why you crush the egg in there?
Yeah, because the egg keep it together when in French fry. When you French frying.
I see.
And a little piece of scale and a little piece of thyme and a little piece of ginger.
And you grow the chicken, so you know that chicken from the chicken are young.
From the chicken, one day old me have him a grow. Yeah. Because basically when we go for chicken is 1 day after the full moon.
Yeah.
And the chicken at the full moon I'm going to feed him 1 day after the full moon. We keep him 6 weeks straight. So we know the chicken is real. And very clean, no bacteria. Alright. As some cookers say, it's all in the taste, you know? Yeah. Alright, the taste is in the pudding. You see, when you think about potato pudding, if potato pudding for you know, I'm coming up and frying. You want me bake potato pudding and send a frying all the while, man.
Yeah? Potato
pudding. Okay, guess my potato pudding mixed now with all type of food. Like a 1 plantain. I'm gonna buy like 2 pounds of flour. And you have egg and all of the liquid ingredients there. Yeah, man. It's all good, man.
The life.
Have a knife, yeah.
To the world. You understand now, people? You see that chicken there, right? Just so it's organic. Now, Patrick, tell me about the gravy from the pumpkin. I first never see this. Tell me how you make the yam. You see all the yam? This is the thing we were out in the field looking for. This is organic chicken. See my mama there and see the chef there. Patrick, to the world. Tell me how the pumpkin gravy.
You cook the pumpkin and crush it. Irish and chocho and all the seasoning cook down. And you crush that ginger in it. Oh yes, man.
So
and cook it down proper with your butter and your cock soup. And make a nice sauce with a little spoon of flour mix up in the water. Whoa. And make a sauce.
Whoa.
Yeah.
See the people, see there. People, let me tell you something, people. If you want people, me tell you about the hotel we are going to build now. Yeah, people. We're going to build a hotel, you can come right here. See the view. This food is fresh. The chicken we grow it. The food from the field, and you can come to the field and eat it yourself. Pick it yourself. And eat it from the field. You see mama over there, so. Mama over there, so. Are the realest Jamaican people living in the world. Look at mama. Mama eat the banana straight. People all over the world. This is it. I'm not going to sign off now. I know I don't want to know it tastes, but I can't explain it. I cannot explain how this thing tastes. It is marvelous. Say something wrong, you don't know, say I can't deal with that.
One of the real pear this too, you know.
And one of the one from the field?
Yeah man, one of the real one we're going to pick up this morning.
You know, sometimes I say there is a God, there is a God. This is proof that there is a God. Mama, take time with the boy. Give me another one, Patrick. Give me another one. Me not easy with pear now. Pear afraid of me.
Yes, we are cooking for your taste.
Let me tell you something. I've never eaten like this in a long time.
Well, for me, say you drink one lemonade and come back again.
Jamaicans are people over the world.
Always start out the lemonade proper for the people there.
Yeah. This pear is that butter pear right there. I feel it. I feel it. As pure as it could possibly be.
Yeah.
Angelina take the banana and...
Time I go down. That one also she eat guys later on. She can't eat nothing we cook. You know. So she have to eat what she can't eat now.
Okay.
Because later on she can't eat nothing we cook. I want next day again. I said, them have volume head of a bro. You can't believe it come like them puff. I swell up, man. Swell me, swell. And the thing, lever. You see salt in the meat, sir? Restaurant me there. Kind of restaurant. Salt in the meat, just liver.
Yeah. This was right. This lemonade was amazing, Star.
Real?
Can I get another cup?
Oh, you want?
You know, in New York.